How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It's your boy JRE. Ateez, Bouncy, K-Hot, Chili Peppers. God damn! I haven't checked out anything of any of their teasers, so I'm pretty much going in there firsthand. No teasers, nothing really. So basically, yeah, just going all in. Raw. We love Ateez and JREAMERS. All right, if you don't, get out of here. I got a new channel called Dre Day where I'll be posting exclusive BM convo where he just talks nasty-ish. He talks some.
Don't leave anything behind and eat it until the icing is gone too.
Damn, you have experience in that?
Oh.
Alright.
He got an X to that joint is old school.
Really, you're getting a 30-minute video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Ateez, Bouncy, captions on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I just now realized they have Zykers in the intro, which is kind of fire. Shout out to Zykers though. They're really interesting. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay. They literally doing K-Hot Chili Peppers. That they oh Mingy. Cowboy. Oh. Whoa. Alright. Is that a goat eating cash? Hey, listen, bro. See you? Whoa. A lot's happening. Hey, he being ass. Legit. Unlock everything. Ooh, okay, production. Ooh, oh dang. Fight Club type of ish. Bro, they're making this is a full ass. Okay. It's like a full ass action movie. Hey. Come on, everybody. Oh, what is that? Slow it down, make it bouncy. Oh. Start now, fly. Show me. Hey, we making it bounce to Ateez. You already know what I mean. That's a dope shot. The little voice. Chongyang chili pepper vibe. Oh. Ooh. It's a lot happening. Like in the instrumental. Spicy. Ooh, that was fire. Sorry. Dang, he about that life? Cowboy life? You better spell your name out. Wait, what's that? Oh, dang, he asking everything. Oh. Every time Mingy raps, just a head bob for real. You better like, Dang. Okay, he popped off. First of all, damn. Who is it? Is this Sungwa? God dang! Hey yo, you got this, my boy. Hey, coach got you. Beat his ass on. Look at that, he got the face. Ooh! Oh shit! That's a shot. Okay, Taekwondo. Look at them kicks. Sounds athletic as hell. So I would. God. Oh, not the $100 on the. Jeez. What is? Bro, this whole music video is kind of crazy. It's like a cyberpunk cowboy kind of. I kind of like it when Hongjun says make it bouncy. It's a vibe. Kind of spicy. Hey. Show me. Oh, whole scene switch. Is that a pepper in his mouth? It is. Oh, but there's a bullet in the pepper. Oh, he a sniper. Ooh, on some wanted-ish? Hey, yo. Oh, it's on some wanted-ish, yeah. Oh, where the bullet going? Ooh. God damn, they're going hard. Bro, they legit made like a song for their own movie that they directed. That's what it felt like. Is that it? Oh, for a 4-minute video, it felt like it went by fast. Hey, what's good? What's poppin', Mingy? Oh, he's gonna rap more? Ooh. Oh shit. Outlaw, the World Episode 2 Outlaw. Dang. They came with legit all the stops, like gunshots, fire, fight clubs. Bro, San's kick? Wait, hold up. That was a dope shot right there. That little bop to the head right there. This with the dollar bill. This man right here. That's me right here. That's me. I'll be just staring like, oh my god, I'm this close. So is he like the coach and the promoter and the referee? I guess so. He owns the place. This is low-key my favorite part right here. Slow it down, make it bouncy. You could. There's so many things out of context you could. I don't know. That's just me though. Show me. Oh, I didn't even notice that he was button. Okay. Then everybody gonna be jumping up and down at this part. This should go hard right here. But you already know that Ateez concert is gonna go lit anyways. There's so many hits that's like just in your face, and this is gonna be added to it. Did they just blow up a whole city like in Fallout? Well, damn. Alright, y'all, put the comments down below what you guys think of Ateez. Well, they back. You already know. Tell me in the comments down below who's your bias. Mine is still Hongjoong. Definitely a bias record is San, I think. Songhwa too, man. Songhwa is out there, man. Mingy though. Mingy killed that ish. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.